If you are a professional illustrator or like to art too often just as a hobby, then graphic tablets can make your work done with ease. They let you showcase the best in you through your art. Drawing on your laptop or PC can get quite difficult, but as these tablets come with dedicated pen support, you can illustrate your art more conveniently. All you have to do is connect it to your PC and start drawing. In this video, we will show you the top 5 best graphics tablets of 2021 so that you can bring your illustrations to life. Experience natural and smooth drawing with the HUION Kamvas 16, which provides you a paper feel-like drawing experience. The tablet comes with a fully laminated 15.6-inch unique anti-glare display that helps you accurately paint every detail for your artwork. It has a 120% RGB color gamut that provides an excellent drawing experience. The Kamvas 16 offers an updated pencil that comes with battery-free PenText 3.0 technology to save more energy. The pen has excellent accuracy and pressure sensitivity so that you can have a smoother experience while drawing. For a more convenient connection, it comes with a 3-in-1 cable and full-featured Type-C cable so that you can easily connect with your laptop, Mac, or smartphone for drawing on the move. It also features 10 programmed express keys to keep your favorite shortcut keys in your finger. So add more fun to your drawing by improving your skills more with this Kamvas 16 from HUION. If you often run out of space while drawing, meet XPen Artist24, an amazing graphic tablet with a larger display to provide you more space while drawing. The tablet comes with an enormous 21.5-inch display featuring 1080p resolution, so you will get more areas while drawing. To ensure a satisfying drawing experience for you, it has a superb color accuracy of 86%, delivering more vibrant and realistic images. To help you effortlessly create exquisite strokes and seamless shading, the battery-free stylus supports up to 60 degrees of tilt function and 8192 pressure sensitivity levels, so drawing with this pen will be more convenient. It responds nimbly to any pen movement with a fast response time of 8 milliseconds so that you can have a swift and smooth presentation of every line and stroke input onto the screen. Enjoy natural drawing with the Wacom DTK1660K0A, as it offers high resolution and pressure level to make your drawing smoother. Equipped with a 15.6-inch 1920 by 1080p display, it provides you with clarity to see every detail of your work. The display is also scratch resistant, and its anti-glare surface prevents distracting reflections as you create. It lets you see your creations in vibrant colors with its 72% color accuracy, offering extremely colorful images. Having an affordable pen display with the Wacom Pro Pen 2 technology, along with 8192 pressure levels and tilt recognition, its amazing precision and reduced parallax provide a very decent drawing experience. You can connect the tablet with your computer with the 3-in-1 HDMI connection cable for a more convenient connection. If you are the kind of person who is looking for a decent tablet at a reasonable price, then surely you can go for the Wacom DTK16 graphic tablet. Looking for a graphic tablet to illustrate your imagination into reality, but don't want to spend much? Then get yourself introduced to the GAOMON PD1560, which you can use for digital drawing, sketching, graphics design, 3D artwork, animation, and many more. The tab comes with 15.6 inches high-quality IPS Full HD display featuring Full HD screen resolution that has a viewing angle of up to 178 degrees. The pen allows better control of lines with its 8192 level sensitivity pressure, and you can draw with much more details. The tab has a built-in stand that can be adjusted up to 90 degrees so that you can find the most comfortable position by dragging the switch. You can have your own customized shortcut keys as it comes with 10 customizable buttons on the side panel. Getting such performance at such a lower price indeed makes GAOMON PD1560 a graphic tablet worth buying. Let your artistic imagination appear through your drawings with this immersive Artist24 Pro from X-Pen that delivers extreme color quality and performance. The tablet comes with the largest display in its class, having a 23.8-inch 2K QHD graphics display, providing a much better and vibrant color. It has an unprecedented vibrancy, which offers a creative experience that exceeds all limits while drawing. The Artist24 Pro display supports a 90% Adobe RGB color gamut to fuel your creativity with brilliant color and blazing graphics as you draw. Create more natural art with its incredible PA2 battery-free stylus that is equipped with finer pen nibs. With the 8192 level pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt, you can draw more smoothly and precisely. Featuring 20 customizable shortcut keys and red dial wheels, the tab boosts your user experience as you can easily access the keys and perform your desired tasks. If you are mainly concerned about the performance and looking for a bigger screen for better productivity, then the Artist24 Pro can be the best choice. So that was our list of top 5 best graphic tablet for drawing with more comfort and convenience. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.